This 1962 Ferrari 250 GTE is a matching numbers example, had a 50-year ownership, a factory black car from new, and a mechanically sound driver. This car has had just one repaint in its original black color since new. It still retains its original natural leather interior, unrestored. Offered with the Marcel Massini history report and factory build sheet. This is a very desirable Series II 250 GTE, an extremely original unrestored driver. Again, a mechanically sound car, never restored, just one repaint in its lifetime, factory black. You can see that nice, beautifully patinaed original